Nandito na ako sa work. So, break time namin. Sunday nga na lang malalaman kung anong nangyari ng Sunday kasi ikakwento ko na lang kung anong nangyari ng Sunday. Or kahapon, walang nangyari. Nasa bahay lang kami. Parang reset lang namin yung Sunday.
Tsaka hindi na niya kailangan gumamit. Nasa school siya. Kasi medyo na
Let baby sister take it and then let go. Blast it off. The car. Let baby sister get the car. Show her the car. No, show her the car. And then let her get it and then blast off. She's gonna Look over there. Wait. Look. Okay. Look over girly. Okay, right here. Okay. Right here, oh. Look, oh. Right there. What is it? Nice and shiny. Nice and shiny. Yeah, go ahead. Maddie is going to eat while Kuya Kaka and Daddy clean the car. No. You're going to have a snack? No. You want to go on top too? Look at your sister.
I found a pencil, Mom.
Found a pencil?
Well, I found this pencil.
Hi, Maddie.
I got it. Look okay, guys. Today, I wanted what is that called?
what did you want to look at?
36.
What did you want to look at? Target.
Toys. Toys. This. Swimming dive. Blah, 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 blah.
Good morning. Tuesday ngayon, 3:32. Late na ako sa work pero kailangan ko ng kape. So, nagkaw tayo ng kape. Shopping yan.
All the things. Okay.
Oh, go get the cars, oh. The small cars. Careful. baby girlie, wake up. Wake up, baby girlie. Hi.
Up, baya, baya. Don't go inside.
I don't put your toys in there.
Why? It don't taste like kisses. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Mom, where's the other?
Eat na, baby girlie, no.
Baya.
Eat.
Baya.
Shy ang bata. Shy ang bata.
Mom, where is me? Mom, say hi to the buggy. Hi, buggy, buggy.
Yeah.
Went to the park,
Uh-huh.
and then I just picked up the exhibit.
What?
I just picked up the exhibit at the park.
Uh-huh.
And then Dan said, put my slippers on.
Okay.
And then I just went home.
Mm-hmm.
And then Dad is going to work.
Uh-huh.
And what else?
What else?
I
So you went to the park today.
And then I went to the baby park.
You went to the baby park
Where?
to play with baby sister.
My sister's not there.
Baby sister was not there.
Where?
Where was baby sister?
It was at the kids' playground.
Okay.
Sitting at the and the bench is
Mm-hmm.
not hot.
Okay, and the shade.
Yeah.
Oh, and then you were playing at the park?
Yeah. I didn't go to the shade. I just played. And then and I was alone over
You
there.
were
I don't know.
called Spider-Man.
Yeah.
Why?
Because they shoot webs.
Okay.
I want to call them the shoot webs in the house.
Mm-hmm.
Let's make pretty,
Okay.
shiny.
Mm. Good morning, guys. Late na naman ako. 3:48 na. Dapat nandun ako sa work din. Pero nakakatamad. Pero ngayon si Mavi naman gagawa ko ng snack. Nagamit. I-fold mo lang siya ng ganyan. Kasi magme-melt naman na to kapag nasa pan na. Babaliktarin mo lang siya ng babaliktarin hanggat mag-melt na yung cheese. Tapos ngayon lalagay natin siya sa lagay ko siya sa pan.
Mom,
What's wrong with it?
look. It's long. Just dancing and talking about. I can't do that
Or you
one.
wanna choose another one? Which one?
All these is all
Oh, they're shorts.
yeah.
Well, that's the only thing they have here.
Yeah.
Only shorts. How about this?
No.
See. Oh, they're also shorts. Only these are the long ones. Yeah. It's okay. You can watch these. See, they're long.
And the other one is not long.
Yeah, they're short. Okay.
And then riding the bicycle.
Yan ay, ang init. Na yan ang cheese line. Ngayon nakatiin ko siya ng bite size para kay Ma.
This
Quesadilla again for baby sister.
again.
Yeah, because she likes it.
This is the all the quesadillas.
Yeah, she likes all the quesadillas.
I'm not going to have one.
If you can have some if you want. You want me to put some on your plate?
No.
Gusto niya. Pero nagustuhan niya, naubos niya yung half nito. Tapos, ngayon, kahapon kasi in-air fryer ko lang siya para mas madali. Pero today, luto ko siya sa pan. Hanggang ngayon, naghahanap pa rin ako ng mga bagong snack para kay Mavi. Kay prutas lang. Fruits lang sa kanya every lagi-lagi. So, hindi dapat kayo pwedeng mawalan dito ng mga strawberry, ng apple, ng grapes, berries. Kaya, madami siyang snack na gano'n. Tapos, kay Mavi naman, cracker, or ito. Wow! Nakataas pa ang paan ni Mavi. Uy, titingin-tingin po eh. How about you, Kai? You finished it? What do you want? You want more strawberries? Yep. There you go. Sit down. Hey. Hey.
Mom, no problem. Okay.
Say hi. Who's that? Who's that, Mavi girls? Baby sister has it. It's baby sister's turn.
There you go.
It's a big one. Mom, I want it.
Next time sa pasbaka.
Now, why are you finished it?
You said you don't want it, kakay.
I want the pine juice.
Nga pineapple.
Pine juice.
Pineapple.
Pine juice.
Yeah.
Mama,
Ano ko kuhain? Yung cut na?
Mama, mas maraming pala.
Aha. Baba girlies. Uy! Clap your hands. Yay! Wow! Don't go too far, okay? Don't go too far. Yeah, it's okay. Miss Pants is gonna get wet. Maybe I'll do it later, okay?
So guys, today's Saturday and we're at Just Island for family day. So baby girl.
Wawa naman yun. Hi, we're here at the beach. You finished it? Show it to Auntie Nani.
Wow na wow.
Ginawa mo to, Sol? Ay, ba't naman napunit?
Ba't naman ngayon nangingilala ka na?
Siya pa. Kuyo. Kitchen duty pa siya eh.
Te, okay ka lang, te? Nay, nakakailang shot ka na ni?
Tatlo lang eh.
Ikaw magka-shot ka ulit?
Oo, nandiyan nakatago.
Kulang yung alak.
Ah, talaga? Ganito na lang.
Yan ang ilaw natin sa kabit. Ito lang ang ilaw niya.
Sa inyo na yung kalahati.
Dami. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Good job. Who's back? Today is Sunday. 10:30 na. And kakagising lang namin. Yeah. We just woke up. Yes. Kaka is eating bread. Baby sister's playing. And mommy is going to cook fried rice from the rice that was left over from the bonfire.
Today, guys, I woke up and then I didn't go to the park.
What?
I didn't go to the park.
Okay.
I didn't go to the park.
We're going to the store, right? Yeah, we're going to the store today to buy fruits.
And apples and toy.
Yeah. Tutoy? Silly cookie. We're not buying tutu at the store. We're buying fruits at the store.
And Baba.
We're not buying babat. For fried rice, ang lalagay ko lang yung rice, garlic salt, yung fried garlic na. Maglalagay pala ka ng 2 egg.
Green apple. Mom, I want green apple. Green apple? watermelon and strawberry. Yummy.
What else?
Strawberry and strawberry and apple and watermelon.